What's up, y'all? It's your girl Avian, and I'm here on day 3 of this beautiful day here in Melbourne, about to hit Sebastian Inlet. Now, it's calling for rain, but hey, we're here in Florida. Let's just get it done. And we're gonna have 2 skis missing today. One of the superchargers went out on one of the skis, and the second ski, the starter, went out. So those guys are off in Orlando trying to get it fixed right now. And it sounds like it's gonna be done in about maybe a couple hours. They're trying to make sure it's in tip-top shape for the Bimini crossing tomorrow. And it's a beautiful day right now. I don't know if you can see it, let's see. See? Let's hurry up and finish packing and get downstairs and load up the truck. Okay, make sure we didn't leave anything. Everything looks good. Roll you out. Bye. Look at this luggage I have to bring every time I get down, because I carry everything all together so I don't have to keep on bringing multiple bags. I like to be a little organized. Look at this suit, guys. I didn't wear long sleeves yesterday and my arms are not happy, but look at this retro fit long sleeve bikini one piece. It's pretty cool. Oh. Don't sideswipe the trash can, Avian. Let's get some elevator music. What's the best part about staying in hotels back in the day was the breakfast. But now they only have grab and go. Let's go check it out. Wrong way, this way.
Let me turn that down for a second. All right, guys, we just launched over here at Christenson's Landing. Now, that place has a lot of trailer parking spots, but early bird gets the worm. But we found a good spot. It was in the parking lot. We didn't have to park outside. So now we're taking the channel. For you new guys, you're always worried about riding places that you don't know if it's shallow or not. But you see these channel markers? All you need to do is take the channel marker, go in between them. There's a red one, there's a green one. When you're going out to sea, I guess, I think the green's on the right and the red's on the left. You're going inland, it'll be the opposite. Or intercoastal. Well, whatever. So just always look for the channel markers. If you stay close by the channel markers, you're good. Look up what green and red mean and which side they should be on, depending on what direction you're going. Doesn't matter, stay on the right side. All right, guys, you see right here? So that was inland in the intercoastal area, and now we're going out to the coast area. That's Sebastian Inlet right there. And you see now the green is on my right side. I can see it! I can see the blue water! It's getting clear! Look at it! Look at it! Oh, what's going on over here? Sandbar party. Is this where Sebastian Inlet's party is at? So beautiful out here. Look at this water. Guys, you know, when you're so used to having brown water, you get so excited to see some blue, green, blue, whatever it is. But with this polarized, I don't know if you can see it better. Look how it looks when it's in my polarized sunglass. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see. I don't know if you could see it. It looks better when it's on your eyes, but oh my gosh, they like, it makes it even better. Look, found some nice two-strokes out here. Right here! Dolphins! I see them! Where are they at? There they are! There they are. Oh, there's a turtle! There's several turtles. Look! There's several of them. Move away so that they'll come up. There's two of them. I saw them for sure. Sand shark. Hey, so excited. I just ran into some people that watch the channel. I'm telling you, I'm out here. I ride just like everybody else. I'm out here riding. We got Ray and Sophia. Right? They're big supporters of the channel, and they're from Florida. If y'all see them out on the water, y'all say hi to them.
Yes, big shout out.
Gosh, you finally made it. You went the wrong way. Is that way?
Way down there.
Yeah.
Because when I was driving, I saw a group of jet skis like north. And I was like, oh, that must be them because it's right there. By the time I got it, I went, nobody was there. I'm surprised she's landing on.
Yeah? No, it's smooth back here though. Yeah? It's not bad. We're just gonna probably see what that bridge is and then we can go back. Look at them. These guys are twinning. Race me. This place has a beach area for you to beach your jet skis, so you don't have to worry about being beat up on the dock. And I heard they have pretty good food and drinks. Bunch of seating that way inside. Goes all the way down. I don't know if you can see. All the way down. It's like literally like a beach resort. Let me show you. And look at her. She's so beautiful. Bye. So the drinks was good. Very inexpensive also. They said that they were working with half the staff in the kitchen, and they're about an hour and a half wait on food, which we don't have time because you see that? Rain's coming in, and we're trying to head out to Fort Lauderdale already and get ready for tomorrow's big crossing over. Look at them go. How was your salad? Did you even eat it? Because I think you were on the phone the whole time, right? All right, now let's hurry up and get it back to the ramp because that storm looks like it's coming fast. And plus, we got a 2.5-hour drive to Fort Lauderdale. All right, let's hurry up. Look who I ran into in Sebastian Inlet. That guy. All right, guys, so we're done at Sebastian Inlet, and it was great meeting you today.
Absolutely. It was great meeting Alviana Zurin, so I'm kind of excited and happy, and I really hope that we get to see each other again.
Definitely, we will.
Absolutely. All right, everybody. So if you guys see this page, please like and subscribe, or hit like and subscribe, and definitely be a part of her page.
Yes, definitely. Check out Facebook, and you can check out her Instagram if y'all are girls, okay? Females only.
Yes.
Right? What is the Facebook page that is for only female riders? And they check.
Yes,
they make sure.
Do. They make sure. It's the Florida Women Ski Riders Group right there.
Yeah.
All
if
right.
y'all want female support, that's the page to go.
Absolutely.
Until next time, see y'all on the water.
All right. Bye.